we are going to look at shapes, shadow, and color gradient. Okay, so let's quickly draw our circle as we know, or rectangle like as we've done earlier. We draw our rectangle like this. With the rectangle tool, we come to the same place, then we choose the ellipse, then we draw our circle. We are going to give shadows to our work, shadows. Okay, so let's quickly color them the way we know. We come to FS, color overlay. We pick a color, let's say the red is okay. Then we come to this, the rectangle tool, we go to FS, color overlay, then we apply a color. So let's give this color something. Let's say this is yellow. Okay, let's make it a bit darker, or brighter. Okay, so now we are going to give shadows to these color, to these shapes. Okay, so now we are working on the rectangle first. You come to the same FS, then you come to this side. We have drop shadow. That is the last option here, drop shadow. You click on the drop shadow, and the shadow will be created by angles. You have 120 degrees here, depending on how you want your shadow and where you want the shadow to appear. Let's say I want it to appear at the 120 degrees. So you come to this side, then you increase the distance. Okay, the distance you increase it smaller. Have you seen the shadow? Okay, let's say I want to spread it small. Don't make it too big. Okay, let's give something small, like I'm making it like 9. Okay, or 10. It's okay. Then the size, don't make it bigger. Something small will do. Something small. Okay, let's say I've taken 43. Okay, now you could see a shadow behind the figure. Okay, after that you click on OK. Now I hope you've seen the shadow. Then we come to where the circle is. We do the same thing. FS, you go to drop shadow. Then let's say here we want the angle to come at, let's say at 90 degrees. So we make it 90 here. Sorry, 90. We type in 90. Okay, so we increase our distance. Okay, this is the distance. Now we spread it small, make it smaller. So that it will be nice. Then you increase the size. You make it. Now have you seen the shadow? Okay, so after that you click on OK. This is what we have now. This is what we have. The shadow. We have applied shadows on our shapes, the rectangle and the circle. Okay, now we will also be looking at something called the color gradient. But before that,